I saw snooker on the TV and that was the end of it.
Hello and welcome back to the Snooker Shed bite-sized snooker shop. And today we're going to look at the most important ball on the table to get good at potting, and that's the black.
Safely in.
So why is it that the black is such an important ball to learn how to pot? Well, the first thing, it's the highest scoring ball on the table. And the second thing, it's normally parked right next to where all the reds are hanging around. So let's enjoy, and I say enjoy, 3 practice routines that I've knocked up to help me get much more confident in potting the black ball. So the first routine is really simple. What I've done here is I've made a triangle with the black, the pink and the white. What I'll do is I'll mark the position on the table that the white's to return to after each shot. And all I'm going to do is simply pot the black, striking the cue ball dead in the centre. I'm going to do it until I can pot the black 10 times from that position. All I'm doing is potting the black here. Then once I've done 10 times on that side, I'm going to come across, change sides, reposition it to the exact same place as I had it before, mark the table and do 10 times there. So remember, we've got to play this 10 times from either side of the table. Let's not make one side more favourable than the other. Take a note on where I'm looking as I strike that black. I'm following the black all the way to the pocket. The shot is played at a very slow pace. Now that's really important for the learning part of potting this black. The more information you can give your brain about the shot, the much better it is for learning. And if you want to see a video on staying down on the shot and how to gather all that information, have a look here. So hopefully you'll be feeling a little more confident about potting the black off its spot. Let's move on to practice number 2. So in practice number 2, we're going to start the cue ball off on this side of the table or this. It's entirely up to you, but the rules of this one is you have to pot the black constantly from one visit, which means you have to get position back on the black. Now you can have a good laugh with your mates and challenge them, and let's just see how many you can get without missing or indeed losing that position. Hey people, we're back at the Snooker Shed door, so let's just see who's getting on the door this time. So we're going to start off with, I think it's Burundi, and he's from Mongolia, 4,200 miles away. That's absolutely crazy. Then we're going to move to Rashid, who's in Kabul, Afghanistan at 3,630 miles away. Moving up to Paul Tarling Tolley. How we doing, Paul? I met Paul when I was at the British Open. He's one of the engineers that was doing his lights, and he happened to notice the channel and he thought he would come on and say hello. Hi Paul, thank you very much for that. Right, where are we? We're going to move to Benji for Aberdeen, just up the road at 97 miles. Thank you very much for watching, buddy. And Flynn, who's living down in Bolton at 243 miles. Thank you, Flynn, for coming on the channel, and thank you very much for watching. Is that all we've got for this week? No, what we've got is Jamie. Now, Jamie was sending this picture in to us, and when you want to get yourself on the door, I'd love to see who you are. I'd love to communicate with you. So send me a wee picture. You'll find the email in the description that you can send the pictures to, and you can also get us on the Facebook page. So just look up the Snooker Shed on Facebook, join the page, and you can communicate with all the people there. Listen people, it's absolutely fabulous to have you all on board. If you like the channel, remember to hit that like button, tell your friends to subscribe so the channel can get bigger and we can get more professionals on the channel. Coming soon is a wee review from Mark Williams ball cleaning spray. That'll be coming on soon. We've also got stuff from Rossmuir, Stephen Hallworth, also coming on the channel. And we might have Barry Stark as well. You never know. Thank you very much for watching. So well done if you've got this far. And by now you should be able to pot 10 blacks off either side of the table from those fixed positions. Then after that, you would have potted at least 20 blacks off the spot continuously in one visit. And that is pretty tricky. Next one is practice number 3. And we're going to take it another stage further on potting this black. So this time I've created a semicircle with 6 reds. Starting at those fixed points, you pot the black, you cannon each red one after the other. And once you've completed the 6, you take the cue ball when you start for the other side of the table and reset and do it again. Again, this is a great challenge for you and your mates to see how much you can do after each other. And it's all about the learning of playing it with side and different speeds, with different combinations of side that will help you learn how to move that cue ball around this area on the table and successfully pot the black. So there it is, a wee video just helping you out get that wee bit more confidence in potting the black and a wee bit more practice in gaining position when the black's on its spot. Thank you very much for watching, and listen, I'll see you on the table.
I saw snooker on the TV and that was the end of it.